everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I completely forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm just popping on here on my phone to do a quick intro and outro. But as you guys can see from the title, today's video is just going to be a rundown of my morning routine and how I get ready. If you guys would like one of these for the nighttime, definitely let me know in the comments because I can definitely do that. And as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Typically, the first thing I do when I get up in the morning is grab a glass of water, and I usually add about a tablespoon of the Bragg organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar along with a squirt of lemon juice. Then I go ahead and stir it. This tastes nasty, but having apple cider vinegar is really good for your skin, your overall health, your digestive system, and so much more. There are so many benefits to drinking apple cider vinegar. And after that, I like to head to the bathroom and start on my skincare. Before I start on my actual skincare, I like to go ahead and either wash my hands or sanitize them. And today, I went ahead and just used hand sanitizer. And this sanitizer is from Merci Handy, and it is their You Are Heroes hand sanitizer gel. And this actually came with a product I will be showing you guys in a little bit. And Merci Handy went ahead and created this hand sanitizer to show their appreciation for essential workers during this global pandemic. And then I just jump right into my actual skincare routine. I like to start off with the Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream, and this is the Rinse Off formula. It is a really gentle exfoliator. And then after I go in with that, I do like to follow up with a regular cleanser. And as you all know, my favorite cleanser of choice is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. That way I can ensure I have a nice clean canvas to continue the rest of my skincare routine, which consists of using two other fresh products, both from the Rose Deep Hydration line, and the products are the Deep Hydration Face Cream as well as the Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. And I use these products in combination with each other, and typically I will go around the perimeter of my face with the cream, and then for the bridge of my nose, my T-zone, and across my sinuses, I will use the serum. And then to finish up everything, I like to go in with the Sugar Advanced Lip Therapy and put it on my lips to ensure they aren't dried out. I've talked about the fresh lip products here on my channel a ton, and I love them. If you are interested in checking out some of the fresh products, but you don't want to go ahead and jump and buy full sizes, I highly recommend checking out the kit that Fresh recently came out with called the Mini Loves. Basically, it is just a little bag that has the top 5 favorite Fresh products that everyone loves. And let me tell you, every single product that is in this bag is one that I love and have talked about here on my channel. And what's really nice about this one is that the kit is only $35 and comes with 5 products. Now that I have finished my skincare routine, I'm going to go ahead and finish a few more things here in the bathroom. The first being moisturizing my skin, and I like to go in with the Tree Hut 24-hour Intense Hydrating Shea Body Butter, and mine is in the scent Moroccan Rose, and this stuff smells so good and works so well. And then after that, I go ahead and brush my teeth, and I just use one of the Philips Sonicare toothbrushes. And then for toothpaste, I just use the Sensodyne Pro Enamel Multi-Action Toothpaste in the Cleansing Mint flavor. Once my skincare routine is complete, I get ready for the day. On this day in particular, I went ahead and threw on some American Eagle shorts and a plain tee from Old Navy. And like I mentioned earlier, the other Merci Handy product I use is their clean deodorant, and mine is in the scent Hello Sunshine, and this is just what it looks like. It has a nice screw cap, and it is a solid deodorant that is clear, and it does not have aluminum, parabens, or alcohol in it. So that is just the rundown of my morning routine and how I get ready. Like I said earlier, if you guys would like a nighttime routine, definitely let me know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new content regularly. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!